Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to build this nice responsive website with this carousel section, featured post, latest post, a call to action section, our portfolio section, and this nice footer section with three layouts. And you can also click and you can go to different pages like about us, contact page, and then come back to home. We will build all this using Bootstrap 5 and React.js. And for fonts, we will use Google Fonts, and for icons, we are going to use Font Awesome. We are going to take images from this nice website called Unsplash. So in this video, we are going to learn everything about how to using Bootstrap 5 and HTML, CSS along with React.js to build any kind of website like this one. So you can see this website is completely responsive in mobile devices as well. So if I scroll down, you will see every piece of all the sections will be nicely aligned to the device categories. So if I go back and click on any other thing, then it's going to give us a nice responsive look and feel. So if you are able to complete this video and then you want to build something of your own, you can easily do it because we are going to learn everything in a step-by-step manner by understanding how to use all these bootstrap classes together to build something like this with React latest version. So if you are interested to build something like this for your own and then go ahead and take it along to production, then join me together in this journey. Thank you.